Hi, I'm Crow, welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. I'm making a little sound demo video for you today, and it's to accompany one of the listings that we have on our Etsy shop. It's for this rather lovely little drum here. It's a buffalo skin drum, it's on a beechwood frame. It's a very lightweight drum. If I turn it over, you can see it's been laced with artificial sinew. It's got a hazel branch handle. On the inside of the frame here, I put my maker's mark, Driftwood Hollow Drums. What else have we got? Birthed on the 16th of December 2022 in Knighton, Powys, the UK. That's to enable you to look at the astrological aspects, the energies that were around on the day when the drum was birthed. I've also put in there willow and buffalo, because it's a willow wood frame and it's a buffalo skin drum. So let's have a little play. I'm going to play with a softer beater and a firmer beater. I'll swap halfway through. You can listen to the difference of those two different sounds. I think the rain's about to start, so I'm gonna crack on quickly here for you. Okay, love the softer beater. It's a lovely muted, gentle sound. This is the firmer beater. Here we go. Brighter with a firmer beater, louder, brighter sound. Alright then, well I hope this little video has helped you to make a more informed decision when you're coming to choose your drum online. It's very difficult. I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.